RIF 3.0 follows a simple workflow with just 4 steps. Step 1. Create a class. Step 2. Activate a task group. Step 3. Start a task group. And Step 4. Get class data. These 4 steps follow a clear color code. Green for teachers and orange for students. First, create a class. You'll receive one class code and individual student codes. All you need to do is provide some information, such as your name, email address, the country where your school is located, the school code or school name, the class name, and the number of students. You can also create a trial class here. The trial class option should only be selected if the class is intended solely for experimentation and does not involve real students working on task groups. These trial classes are not included in the scientific analyses. After entering the basic information, you receive an email. In the meanwhile, you can already see the basic data you entered. The class is created by clicking the corresponding button in the email. The relevant class data will now be displayed on the screen and will also be sent via email. Here, you can view everything you've already entered, as well as the class code for managing your class and the individual student codes that you can assign to each student in the class. This makes it possible for every student to log into the platform using the exact same student code. Next, activate a task group using the class code you received in Step 1. Here you can choose which of the many task groups available you want to activate and how long they should remain active. You can activate one task group per class at a time. Once the successful activation of a task group appears on the screen, you can see exactly which task group has been activated and how long it will remain active. Immediately after activating a task group in Step 2, students can start the task group in Step 3 by logging in with their individual student code. When starting the first task group, students are asked to provide some information, such as their gender and year of birth. This step is skipped when starting further task groups. Right after that, the tasks themselves begin, which the students can work through. At the top center, they can always see exactly how much time they have left to complete this task group. As soon as the students have finished the task group, they can immediately view their results and also see the solution for each individual task. In Step 4, you have 2 options. You can either view your master data again or view the detailed results for your class. For both options, all you need is your class code. Here you can view the class details and student codes at any time. Under Class Results, you'll find the detailed results for your class. First, you see how well each student has performed on each task group. Here you can see an overview of how well your class performs in each area of spatial thinking. In the last column, you can also see the average success rate of all students who have completed task groups in this area until today. This data enables you to recognize the strengths and weaknesses of your class in the different areas and to be able to set priorities accordingly for further training. Finally, you see the results of the students in your class at the completed task groups and a summary. Once you have completed these 4 steps for each class, simply move on to the next task group and start again from Step 2. You only need to complete the first step once per class. And now it's your turn. Get started right away at RIF4U.EU. Have fun and good luck using RIF 3.0.